You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Make a great choice today with the 2023 Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, stability control, panoramic sunroof, navigation package, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.